don't wanna be the one you can't talk to. I wanna be the one you can bond with.
Hey dollies, it's Candy K, your favorite bougie bae, and I'm back again with another video. Today I'll be showing you step by step on how to do an image and to do a basic cut. Let's get started. After you have made your account, you should be able to access Cricut images, and this is a category that I randomly opened, so we're in the animals category right now. They have a lot of examples for you to utilize. You don't have to download anything whatsoever from Google. If you're interested in getting your own Cricut machine, I highly recommend that you do get the Cricut Explore Air 2. That's the one that I have. You can make DIY projects, anything that you can imagine. So from 3D art to home decor, jewelry, iron-on, vinyl, like what I just showed you, paper projects, and so much more. It has the tools to cut hundreds of materials quickly and accurately, from the most delicate paper and fabric to tough ones like leather. Now, if you do pay close attention, girl, look, they're having a sale. They're doing a bundle. So $369.99. Look at the original price. You're getting a steal for this, definitely. Perfect for the lip project we're gonna do today. Go ahead and click that link in my bio so you can go ahead and shop your Cricut today. Heading back over to your Cricut Design Space, I'm gonna go ahead and show you some examples that I'm just gonna randomly search. You don't have to choose from the category. Think of anything in your head and go ahead and search it in Cricut Design Space. I promise you it's going to pop up. Period. Now, don't feel limited because there are a whole bunch of birds in here that you're about to see on the screen right now. They have black, yellow, blue, purple, turquoise, brown. They have all the different colors. And they have burgundy. Look at that. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to achieve the similar lip that I'm doing for my Pucker Up campaign. Search in lips. And when you search up lips, look at all those different lips you can choose from. I'm going to choose that pink one right there because it's giving puck. It's giving pucker up. Pay close attention to what I'm about to show you on the right-hand side of the screen. When you first open it, it will not say this. It will say print then cut. Let's go shop for our vinyl on Cricut. Now, there are different tabs that you can go ahead and maneuver on the website as well. I'm going to go to materials and show you materials right fast. So you can go ahead and click shop, but I don't want to delay your time. So we're going to start this project. Today, we're looking for a gold bust down vinyl. So we're going to type in permanent vinyl. And when you type in permanent vinyl at the top, click view all results or press enter on your keyboard. So let's go ahead and find this holographic vinyl because we want to give the girls glisten. You need your packaging to look like top tier. You don't want it to look like no basic stuff. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and click that. I like this. It's real cute. We got some shimmer in it. I'm about to zoom in right now. Look at that. Boom. Bust down, bust down. Add that to the cart. When you add that to the cart, it's on sale. Look at that sale. That sale is too good. $345. The original price is OD, y'all. Go and get this sale right now. Don't walk, run. You can track all your orders in your Cricut ID. When you first get your printer, it's going to tell you to sign up for an account, or else it's not going to let you use Cricut Design at all. Opening back up my Cricut Design Space, let me go back and show you guys what it looks like when you first open it. It's going to say print then cut. You don't want it to be print then cut because you're going to have to send this to your printer first, and it's going to be a hot minute. To change from a print then cut to a basic cut, you can select Shift Command and click print then cut, print then cut. Like select all of that all at once. And then when you do that, click basic cut. You want basic cut to be on there because it's only going to cut, it's not going to print. I was very confused with this when I first used my machine. And I was like, what the heck is that? Girl, you're going to learn over time. Basic cut is just cutting with the cutting machine. Print and cut is sending to the printer first. It's going to print it out on a regular basic printer, and then you're going to have to go and cut it. So now that everything is set to basic cut, everything is good to go. You do want to go ahead and go to make it, and after you do make it, I'm going to show you that it's going to do 2 different tones on the mat. So you're going to have 2 different vinyl colors if you do want to do a 2-tone pink lip. If you look close up, I'm zooming right now, it's a dark pink, a white area, and a light pink. So you do want to have 2 different tones of pink that you do have to go ahead and buy on Cricut.com. White is transparent. After selecting make it, this is what your screen should look like. I'm going to select on matte. Your image should be extremely large, so be cautious on how big your image is. You might want to resize it and do like a test matte before you go ahead and make multiple duplicates of this image on one matte. Here's a quick tip that I have for you all. So you want to make sure on your DAO on your Cricut machine that it's set to custom. This will help a lot with the cutting process. If for some reason your image isn't being cut thoroughly, when you tear it off, it's not detaching from the sheet. You can change the material in here. As you can see in here, they have several different materials down to paper, cardstock, leather. It's so much in here that you can go ahead and see. When you purchase your paper, you have to make sure you have the accurate weight, the pounds of the paper, just so it can know how much pressure to actually put in the paper as well. Like whatever cardstock, you want to make sure you type that in the search bar in the top right corner. Then you can go ahead and see if that matches what you're using. When you do that, you can favorite it. And when you favorite it, you don't have to search it in every single time. Each time you go to print, it'll be right there in your face. Every single material that you favorited. I currently have 3 because that's the current 3 that I worked with for my project. I made lip gloss boxes from scratch, and I also made the labeling for my lip gloss tubes. If you missed it, you can go ahead and check out that video on my channel. I really appreciate it. So for right here, you can change the pressure, and this is the material that you'll be using. So that's the blade I was talking about. It comes with your Cricut machine. You do not have to buy that separately. There are 3 different pressures that you can choose from. Default, which is the saved setting that comes with your Cricut machine. Less and more. More puts more pressure. I usually select more, or default is a custom setting that she saved in your Cricut machine. To change your default settings that comes with the Cricut, you can go ahead in the top left hand corner of the menu bar and select manage custom materials if I am not mistaken. So when you do that, I'm just loading up my information. These are the numbers by default that is saved into the Cricut machine when you purchase your Cricut machine. You can edit these out. Sometimes they're not too much of a good pressure, so you'll have a problem when you're cutting your project. The number is something you're going to have to Google just to see what is the best pressure number to use for the certain type of material that you're using. I don't have that to assist you with. You can just look that up on Google. I'm not too sure. So you can drag the bar from left to right. You don't want to put the pressure too high because you might even cut your mat if you do that, and you don't want that to happen. When you're working on your project and you're finally done, just click Save by My Projects and put a unique name so you can know the difference between the projects. If you do have more than one in the Cricut Design Space, so you know which one to select when you're about to complete and make your project, because you that raw. This is how you delete it. Just click the 3 dots at the top, click delete project, and it's simple. Just click yes. Leave a comment down below what project you're doing for your business, because I'm really interested in seeing you guys get the results that you're looking for. Bye.